Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the language in the Firefox browser. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Firefox web browser, and you want to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window with the three horizontal lines. Go ahead and left click on that, and then you want to select the options selection. So you should be automatically directed to the general tab, and then you want to scroll down underneath language, select the correct language here. So you want to make sure it's set to English or French, Spanish, whatever you want. And if you're having an issue and you don't see your language listed in the drop down, select search for more languages, and then you can select the language to add. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And then you just would go ahead and select OK to save the change. Basically restart your browser, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.